The water storage system is a critical component in the multiple barrier approach to safeguarding water supplies. In the past, many water providers focused primarily on source water and treatment, but they now acknowledge that distribution and storage of finished water also account for a significant number of water quality problems. There are approximately 400,000 finished water storage facilities in the United States. The majority are elevated or flat-bottom tanks or concrete structures. Plastic tanks and open reservoirs are also used to store finished water. Utilities use water storage to help reduce pressure fluctuation in the distribution system and to act as a reserve supply during times of peak demand. Unfortunately, storing water can also lead to the degradation of a water supply. Excessive water age causes problems, such as microbial growth and chemical changes in the water. Water quality issues associated with storage may include taste and odor problems, the loss of disinfectant residual, the presence of microbial contaminants, the formation of disinfection byproducts, unacceptable pH levels, a buildup of iron and manganese, hydrogen sulfide, and corrosion. So what can be done to minimize these issues in the first place and remedy them when necessary? Here is a recommended 5-step approach. Understand the facility. Define the water quality problems. Evaluate alternatives to address water quality issues and select the best solutions. Implement good management practices and monitor effectiveness. And develop standard operating procedures. Let's take a closer look at each step. First, understand the storage facility. Maintain records with a complete historical review of the storage system, construction records, shop or fabrication drawings, current drawings of the system and equipment, O&Ms for the equipment, inspection and maintenance records, water quality data, sediment sampling data, operational data, and customer complaint records. By comparing and analyzing these records, water providers recognize trends in the accumulation of sediment or corrosion and can respond by determining the best time to inspect, clean, and repair the process equipment, piping, and storage tank.